Is your washer control panel becoming unresponsive, displaying error codes, or failing to start your wash cycle? A dirty, damaged, or faulty control panel could be the reason your washer isn't working properly. Welcome to HnKParts. In this video we'll show you how to troubleshoot common washer control panel issues, inspect and clean the panel, and replace it if necessary to help restore your washer's performance and keep it running smoothly. The washer control panel is located on the top front section of the appliance, directly above the washer tub. It allows you to select wash cycles, adjust settings, and send operating commands to the washer's electronic control system. Over time, the control panel can fail due to moisture exposure, power surges, worn-out buttons, loose wire connections, or normal wear and tear. Dirt and detergent residue around the buttons or touch controls can reduce responsiveness or cause incorrect cycle selections. Before beginning any repair, unplug the washer from the power outlet. If you'll be moving the washer, turn off the water supply as well. First, clean the control panel using a soft microfiber cloth lightly dampened with a mild cleaner. Avoid spraying liquids directly onto the panel. If the controls remain unresponsive, depending on your washer model, remove the screws securing the top panel and carefully lift or slide it back to access the control panel assembly. Disconnect the wire harnesses one at a time, noting their positions for reassembly. Remove the mounting screws or retaining clips holding the control panel in place, then install the new control panel by reversing the removal steps. Reconnect all wiring securely, reinstall the top panel, restore power, and test every button and cycle to ensure proper operation. Regular cleaning and protecting the control panel from excess moisture can help extend its lifespan. If your control panel is cracked, completely not responding, or continues displaying errors after troubleshooting, it may be time for a replacement. Check the link in the description below to find the correct replacement control panel for your washer. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit HnKParts. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more repair guides, maintenance tips, and appliance support. Thanks for watching.